Downward.
Are we all in? Good, good, good. For those who don't know me, I am Honda, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have many, many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their master ships in the water. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous load of your ship. And the resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go, go.
Flight crew, go ahead and come on in.
For your safety,
Thank you.
remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a...
¿Arriba, abajo o izquierda o derecha?
Tú dijiste que arriba abajo.
Ok.
Perfect. One more time, if I could just see two pilots tug on the tab, Queen. Just tug on the tab. Perfect. My gunners, tug on your tab.
Emery,
You can have you tug on your tab. Perfect. And then my engineers, perfect. All right, guys, remember, any flashing buttons, we click them. We do have royalty on here, so make sure it's as smooth as possible, all right?
It will be.
Good luck, guys.
Izquierda, derecha.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineers. Right, pilot, push
No, it
the
doesn't
flashing
work.
button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to
Mueve
fly
tu stick.
right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Okay, watch it.
Izquierda, derecha nos lleva, chaparrita.
Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster.
Boosters, tu botón.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, the train. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Sigue el tren. Sigue el tren.
They've got down to us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. have galaxia. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxia. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxia. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Got it. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let's have to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Nice one, right?
Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrivers failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. End of the belt. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to leave a mark. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Hey, not bad.